G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're today at a fantastic home, 81 Hansen Street in the popular Bayside suburb of Urangan. We are walking distance to some of the key amenities in the area, and there's a fair bit to take in, so let's go and take a look around. Originally built in 1991, this lovely brick home is positioned on a low maintenance 607 square metre allotment in the highly sought after Bayside location of Urangan. This is where you will enjoy the lifestyle and convenience of having key amenities all within walking distance, which include the Urangan Marina and boat ramps, the Hervey Bay Boat Club, Urangan Central Shopping Centre, Aldi's, Botanic Gardens, Esplanade, beach, cafes, restaurants and the iconic Urangan Pier. With interest rates at record lows and rental vacancy rates as tight as we've ever seen them across Hervey Bay, there really has never been a better time to invest in our local property market. This great home will be ideal for those looking for a low maintenance home base to return to between your nomadic travels, with a high entry carport to the side being ideal for large RVs, caravans and boats. You will immediately notice this home has been tastefully refurbished over time, so you can enjoy the lifestyle that comes with living in such an idyllic location. The open plan living and dining area truly does form the heart of this home and does include reverse cycle split system air conditioning and a ceiling fan. The galley style kitchen offers plenty of bench and storage space, plus a pantry, coupled with quality appliances which do include an electric hot plate with range hood and an oven, perfect for preparing everyday meals as well as those for special occasions. The covered outdoor entertaining area does overlook the carport and is the ideal space to enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. This home includes 3 spacious bedrooms with built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans. The bathroom features a shower and vanity, plus there is a separate toilet. The laundry offers direct access outside to the clothesline. Vehicle accommodation includes a high entry carport, which is perfect for those with large RVs, caravans and boats. There is also a 6x6 metre double bay shed to the rear with power connected. You also have a new 4x2 metre garden shed for additional storage. Homes with these features in this location are in high demand and low supply, and the owner is calling for an immediate sale. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.